everything.
Back in free or friendly date ranges, back in free code camp also. So what are we trying to do in these next two cases? Well, one, we're trying to do it when it's a year ahead, or at least a year ahead, and the months are the same. We want to format it like this. So how can we do that? We can just do an else if statement right here. Actually, we're going to do it above this. So remember, this checks if they're in the same month. We want to kind of do it from most complex to least complex, so we knock them out, because they're going to kind of borrow some of the same checks. So we're going to do an else if here that says, look, if these dates are the same, so let's start with that, meaning if the months are the same, and the years, date 2, 0, minus date 1, 0, meaning the result of the years is greater than or equal to 1, meaning that there's at least a year gap. We want to return date array. Now we haven't added or formatted date array yet. Let's go ahead and make sure we're getting the correct thing and nothing broke. Very cool. So it looks like our logic is sound here. Might as well if same month but different years. So we'll put a little comment in there. So what do we have to do to format this? It looks like we need the month, the day, and the year. Alright, I think we have that somewhere. I believe this is it. Month, day, and year. Let's go ahead and see what happens now. September 25th, 22nd. Alright, cool. All we have to do next is output the September 4th. Let's go ahead and date array.push, and we can go ahead and take out all this, change the values here, and we're going to push the month, September 5th, 22nd. Very cool. So there we go. Now our last case that we're checking is make friendly dates 2022. So these are the exact same day but a different day on the year, and they want us to display it a certain way. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this and make sure that we're calling it so we can check as we go along. Run test. So right now it's formatting it. So it is passing one of these else if statements. So we're going to do it right above this, because same month but different years. This is what it's formatting it as. What we want is same month, same day, but different years. So we're going to do an else if. That's going to say, look, is date 1, meaning the month, exactly equal to the month of date 2? And is date 2, index 2, exactly equal to date 1, index 2? Are the days equal? And when we take date 2's year and we subtract date 1's year, is this greater than or equal to 1? Meaning, has a year passed? Return date array. Let's go ahead and run that. So we should get an empty array. Cool. Now all we have to do now is format it to the way they want it. So I believe we can just go ahead and copy this. Let's jump down to here. We want to put the month name followed by the day change plus a comma plus date 1. Let's make sure, run it. September 5th, 2022. Without knowing it, it looked like I perhaps clicked the wrong line of code when I was entering it. It's been known to happen. So what we're trying to do here is simply output right here. It's same month, same day, but different years. Sorry about that. And we want to output, we're actually going to type this out, date array dot push month names. And what do we want to push out for month names? We want to push out date 2 index 1, and then we want to concatenate that and we want to put, so we put the space, and then we want to put date change. And on here we want to put date 1, or date 2, excuse me, index 2, and then we want to put a comma and a space, and then we want to put date 2, index 0, and return the year. Let's go ahead and run that, and I believe we should be done. Oh my god, we did it! We did it! Yeah, yeah. Alright guys, it's been a couple rough videos. There's a lot of code going on here. Maybe I'll do a review video, how to make your code better, but this should get you a core understanding of kind of how to solve it in your own way. Definitely some stuff we could have improved upon. But we did it, boys. We did it. Keep struggling through it, and eventually you'll do it too, if you haven't done it already. As always, guys, thank you to everyone supporting me on Patreon. It is the biggest and coolest thing you can do. The ladies will love you for it. No ladies, but I'll love you for it. So thank you guys. Thanks for the likes and shares. They help a ton. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and support me on Patreon. Check out wayup.com. It's a great way to find full-time jobs, internships, part-time jobs, and one-time freelance work for the college student. All you need is a .edu email. It's completely free, and you'll help me out in the process too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.